Hello everyone, Maurice here. Today we are going to recommend Masuma Auto Drive Belt. Here is the drive belt on the desk. So, drive belt is transmit power from the power pulley out to the accessories. There are V-belts and timing belt. The V-belt is the multi-groove belt or pulley groove belt. Some people also name it rib belt because there is some ribs here, so many ribs here. Okay, it's been the universal way of the driving industry accessories. So what is the materials made of? Let's see the materials. At the very beginning, the drive belt is made of fabric, but right now it becomes some tough backing and the rib section, which is made of a flexible, high friction materials, and just like rubber or more modern materials like EPDM. So, okay, some people say they cannot see very clear in the video. Okay, let's get closer look. Okay, our V-belt is made of EPDM materials, so it's very thinner and easy to bend. It can make much tighter turn around the engine bed. The back of the belt is flat. You can see here. Okay, if we turn this inside out, we can see that the pulley groove belt is made of a lot of V profiles. In our case, 5 side by side. Usually, automotive industry multi-rib belts are very standard across the whole industry. There is an industry standard code printed on all these belts. We can see here is the manufacturing code here. Okay, our logo. The number we're interested in is PK number. Why is called PK number? Well, it has the letter PK in it. You can see here. The first letter represented the number of the ribs. Before we're talking about the ribs, here 5. So here the number 5 means the ribs we have. And we still have 6, 7 number or 3 number. The last number affected the length of this belt here in millimeter. Standard of automotive belt. And this is materials is anti-elasticity, oil heater resistance. To all the belts, the length of the belt depends on the configuration of the engine. So if you know the belt length, then you can send us the configuration or spec to us to check. Okay, how do we know if we don't have the correct numbers on this belt here, or when it's wear and then it's not clear enough? So how do we know? So we can use the ruler for measurement. So I need an assistant. Do me a favor. So we can use the ruler to put the PK belt in correct position first. Okay, now we can see the measurement here. It's 866 millimeter. Okay. So the ruler measurement is 866 millimeter. Just match our PK belt, 866 millimeter. Okay. And still have some, because everybody's the length is different. auto belt used to wear by cracking. So if you found 3 cracks in 3 sections, general rules, then you need to replace them immediately. Okay? Then we have the stuff like EPDM, these materials. It doesn't crack. Then please check at 6,000 miles and replace them at 9,000 miles. If you like our video, please give us a